So if you have made your goal in the field of the knowable, you'll fall short. Your mind will always conjure up some carrot, a spiritual carrot, and it will keep you chasing, but you are an accomplice to your own fruitless search. Maybe because you want to do that, you want an experience of something. This is okay. Experiences will come. Even unsearched for, they will come. Because the body is here, the vital force is here, the intelligence is here, so therefore experience is unavoidable. It's here. Experiences, they don't overshadow this. It is only the belief in a separate self, acting as the doer, the chooser. And when this is not recognized as itself a thought arising in that which is beyond thought, you see, only that can cause confusion. That is the original sin, to forget who you are. All atrocities came out of that ignorance. All hatred came out of that ignorance, because separation came, where in truth it is not. So can you name something that you are? Or even a collection of somethings that you are. Be it made out of the elements or out of some emotion. Can that be what you are? Or is that not what you appear to be? Viewed from a deeper place, now being discovered. And upon the discovering of that, where is your misery, if there is such a thing? So what was called the fall, I'm not talking about autumn now, the fall is nothing, this fall of grace, all of this what you heard, was to fall from this, apparently fall from this perfect state, or even I would go as far as saying the stateless state, that within which even states manifest and are perceived, but it's not a state. And somehow something descended into thought identification. That is the fall. And the belief that I am that which arises as I, that's capable of having some autobiography, that is affected by the movement of planets and so on. Left unquestioned. That, in my view, was called the original sin, or the fall. I cannot see another way. There are much more juicy representations of that. But it seemed in its purest expression, it can only be that. Now you can see, does this fall really happen, or is it dreamed? And you are the only ones who can answer this question, or in whom the answers can happen. And the possibility of the recognition of that is possible here and now. Okay. So if there's any noise in your helmet, whatever it is, I would only say to you, don't worry about it. Maybe it is stirred up simply because, excuse me, some deeper listening has taken place. An individual is not being advised to do something about something. Something may be stirred up, something may start to bubble and froth and foam a bit. Allow it full space to express itself. Some thoughts may come like, oh my God, I don't know what's happening to me and nothing makes sense and so on. Let them happen. Stay as the space in which they come. Observe. Live or exist as though you are your eyes only throughout these experiences. Don't fix, nor change, nor sweep up, nor file, nor make folders out of anything. Simply let it come by itself. And then you can report, okay, now this fierce throbbing is taking place. And it will be an opportunity to look directly with me at it, if you care to do that. You're here for that anyhow. If you're not dedicated to preserving your identity, but more to explore into what your true nature is, then I don't see any reason why you will not come home to your own complete Christ consciousness, Buddha nature, whatever name you want to give to it. The names are not so important. Because all names are watched from the nameless. You are that nameless. Is it a painful discovery? Okay. You got that on tape? It's saying it's enough for today. Very good. So, here we are. Thank you for today.